Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm doing a video on this iPhone 4 right here. The display looks dark on camera, but it's really not. It's on max brightness. But anyways, what I'm going to do today is going to show you guys how to replace the dock connector on one of these. So let's just get straight to it. Not sure where that came from, but let the phone shut down, flip it over, and get our screwdriver out, and unscrew the two pentalobe screws on the bottom of the phone. I'm sorry about the bad lighting, not my fault. But anyways, now that those two screws are unscrewed, you can just push up on the glass and just lift it. There we go. Now I don't know where the text sounds are coming from. I don't know. And here's the iPhone. There we go. Can disconnect our battery. Usually you would have a screw here, but the screw here for me is stripped, so I can't really get that out, so I might use some tweezers to get that out one day, but for now, just to move on. Now we can remove the battery, pry it out. There we go. Now you can unscrew your dot connector flex cable unscrew your dot connector bracket, which is right up here. So there you go. I'm sorry if the camera's out of focus. Where are the sounds coming from? I don't know. Some random device in my room? I don't know. But anyways, let's just continue. So now you want to disconnect the speaker. And the connector just came right off. Good thing I have spare speakers, but I'll just do another video on that at some point. The more video ideas, the better. So, there you go. Speaker is out. And next we can detach the flex cable for the home button. There we go. Fragile cable is disconnected. You can dislodge the microphone there and unscrew these two screws right here. There we go. Now we can just start slowly prying up on this dot connector. There we go, pretty easy. That home button cable, it's kind of stuck. I'm going to lift that cable up. Can just pry this part. Why is my camera like out of focus? Can just pry up. And there we go, the dot connector is out. Now you can get your new dot connector and of course just put it in the phone, just like you normally would when you're replacing a dot connector. So make sure you get that home button cable. It's coming from the iMac, I'm gonna mute it, so. Anyways, you can just put dot connector back into the phone. Can screw the two screws in. So now that that's done, we can just reconnect the home button. Make sure not to rip the cable, because then you'll have to remove the display to replace the home button, and that wouldn't be fun. So now that that home button is connected, we can just put the speaker back in, our broken speaker. I'll replace that next week for another video idea. But anyways, just put that back in. There we go. Now we can just screw in the speaker. Pretty easy. So now that that's done, you can of course reconnect your speaker, but mine is broken. But for now, can just reconnect the dot connector. There we go. And then we can just screw in the dot connector bracket. There we go. Can just screw in the other screw. There we go. So now we can just put this bracket back on and place the battery in and reconnect it. Now that that's done, you can put the back glass on. There we go. And screw in the 2 pentalobe screws on the bottom. There we go. So now that that's done, you can power up your iPhone and hopefully it would be charging. So you can So that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Also check out my Twitter at ufelix5.